Hello, 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 and welcome. Welcome. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I'm your host. So I am still testing some RAM chips that I extracted from a Vic-20. So I'm going to work on the little monitor today. Of course, the big one will come on. Oh, right. Okay. This here is wonky, and the reason it's wonky is because in the color RAM socket, there is no RAM. So I don't need to leave that on. What I need to do is one by one look at the RAM chips. Oh, ooh, that was close. There's one here that has a leg. It's funny, I thought it was broken off. It's not broken off, it's just bent quite a bit over. Quite a bit over. So the Vic-20 is off. And the RAM chip is in. So we'll turn it on, we'll look at the diagnostics. And everything is looking pretty good. Looking pretty fine. And it will run through. There we go. Yep. And of course the serial bus is bad because, well, there's nothing in. I don't have the harness. I don't. So what I'm going to do now, before I start mixing things up, these RAM chips that I took out of this Vic-20 that are good, I'm going to put them in this bag with like-minded, good Vic-20 chips, and I will continue my testing, and we'll see. I'd love to find a bad one, because then I would be inspired to go forth and tinker and put, sockets in and such the like of that. But it's okay. We can remove more things. There we go. Yep, serial bus bad. Yep. I wish it didn't just stop there. As soon as it finds something bad, I wish it would carry on, show us more of what it can do. That's okay. Into the bag we go. Alright, here's another one. Looks pretty okay. It's in. We'll run the diagnostics. Just 4 more to go. Yep. Alright. Very good. Power switch off. Memory out. And we'll try another. Maybe these need just a little tweak, but not bad. Not bad. We'll see what we can see. Okay, another round tip going in. And while we're here, we'll write Vic-20. Good. On that bag. Okay. Good. Good, 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 good. All right. This one looks good. I had a bit of a snap going in, but that's okay. Yeah. It did indeed. So just two more, and they should come up fine. And I can put the original matching Vic. Oh, there we are. Back to the same original matching RAM chip back on this board. And then I can think about what to do next. And I could possibly refer to Google to see if it has any brilliant suggestions. Because sometimes it's just, I don't know what all these, like I don't know what UD9 does. And there are three identical chips here. There we are. Good. And I don't know. Uh-oh, this one has a wonky, crazy looking pin. That might not go well. I don't know if you can see that, but that chip has a strangely, I guess it's kind of got some solder. But I guess I've had it in here already once, because I did test these. So, with great care, I will put it in and turn it on. Let's see what's what. Soon as you do the little screen show, there's the screen show. Serial bus bad. Okay. So, now, what was that? Something fell. I will put the original RAM chip back in to this socket. Turn this on. What? I can't even see what fell. Oh, it's the cable from the de-soldering iron. Sorry, it's not plugged in. Not critical. Add to this Juncture. Okay, so that's good. So we have determined that this is good. Now, here is the target. The Vic-20 board that is now missing all the RAM and all the main chips, and it's got some empty holes where there could be sockets, but there are none. So, what could be the trouble? Well, it could be anything. It could be I think what I'm going to do is set this down. Get myself a little bit of air from the fan there. And then do a little search here. Vic-20 UD9. Go. Blank screen. Oh. Interesting. Blank screen and more issues. Let's have a look at this. Okay. I recently acquired Vic-20 off eBay and was hoping needed repair, and it does. First, the board had no fuse in it. Yeah, that's reasonable. So I installed one from a working Vic-20. The board is a CR model. I get a blank screen, not blank. Black screen, not blank. I'm using a working composite video connector. I've already tested the chips that are in the sockets. They're all tested being fine. I used my chip tester and had a similar. The voltage measures 4.65 in several areas of the board, which I think is too low. Not 100% sure on this yet. Rust. Okay, this is a CR model, and this is not what I'm doing. This goes on. Well, it ends up black screen. UD9. Well, that's essentially what I am experiencing. I get a funny screen flash, not the right screen flash. Oh, okay, hang on. Now, this one on this article talks about rust and stuff getting in, and there definitely the guy shows a picture of the bottom of the board, and there was rust. There was. I see no rust, but I'm going to put a little black mark right under there, and I'm going to put a little black mark right under there, because that is what I'm going to go for next. Now, I don't know what UD9 does. I really don't. But it's all a shot in the dark from here. It is. So, I guess what I will do is prepare to desolder UD9. Now it is near like the video thing, so we'll see. All right, I think I'm going to stop recording right now, and I'm going to switch hats because this one doesn't fit very well, and prepare to operate. So thanks for coming. David Bradley here. I am your host. Bye for now.